Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can redeem Nitro gift codes. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So guys, first of all, open up your Discord application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in with your right account. After setting up the Discord application, you will be redirected to the account's homepage. If you tap over on these three bars present at the top left, the server's list and bottom icon tray will appear. Now just tap over on your profile at the bottom right corner and then select inside the menu page, and then scroll down inside the menu page, select Nitro gifting, and there will be a gift redemption code bar, but it's not showing on my account. If your account shows similar signs, simply close the Discord application and open up any preferred browser, search for Discord and log in with your account. After that, just tap over on these three bars menu and then select your profile picture again. Scroll down and this time select gift inventory, and here you can enter your redemption code, and that's how you can redeem Nitro gift codes. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.